headed cross country. We passed Butte. Now we're making our way from Anaconda via Philipsburg to Drummond, Montana. Back road. That road right there. Take you over a mountain pass. Drops you over the Wisdom, Montana country. It's a beautiful ride. I've done it before. Absolutely gorgeous. Just like all of Montana is. Just talk about being spoiled rotten. Here, so Anaconda is a mining town, much same as Butte. That tower there, no, it's not something from Lord of the Rings. I mean, you would think it was. Maybe we were headed into Mordor or something, but not quite that. An old smelting chimney. It's actually a National Historic Landmark that, as you can see. And all this stuff is tailings from it. And there it is, right there. Yeah. Pretty cool. Little Anaconda, Montana. Oh, I'm sorry, folks from Anaconda that are watching. Not little. It's a beautiful town, of course. Just butts right up against the bottom of the mountain right here. Pretty cool. Here we go, down to Philipsburg. Yeah, with this being a Tuesday, it's kind of nice because I don't know that we're going to run into a lot of traffic or campers or anything else like that, so I mean, it's going to make this a very pleasurable ride. Oh my goodness, bugs everywhere. Did it spare the camera? It looks like it. Well, now that I said it, I can jinx myself and it's going to be nothing but campers from here on out. That's okay. We're on vacation and don't need to get in a hurry. Can't see the thermometer right now, but we started out about 58, 60 degrees this morning, and now we're up to 83. Oh, wow. Hey, look at that lake. The wind sure feels nice coming off of that lake. Oh, okay. Crescent Lake. Georgetown Lake. Right up to the water's edge. If the guy wanted to, you could make a jump. Check that ski hill off there in the distance. That's pretty neat. Yeah, this lake dumps into, spoiler, but it's about to get pretty dang cool up here. And that wind sure is howling. It feels nice. This road here, actually, you could take and, there's a cut across. I wish I had an enduro bike for. You can take this road all the way across to Hamilton, Montana. It's always piqued my interest. This little canyon here is one of the highlights of this little here jaunt. Oh gosh, rocks. Oh yeah, just look at that. It's just so cool. Such a sweet spot. Hey, don't worry, man. I'll cut that out of the video. Picking up some flagstone, I guess there's some landscaping there. It sure be nice to get in front of them so we didn't have to stare at the back of the camper this whole way down. Yeah, it was karma for me saying that. That thing's gonna tip over. Oh man. I just love the back of this camper. Nope. Yeah, right here. Skull Cajo Pass Road. That's the one that I was telling you about. You can take that all the way to Hamilton, Montana. I'm not sure if it's paved or not. From what I can see on Google Maps, that road is not paved all the way through. Alright, later, dude. Fantastic. Now that we have the view. Now we have the view.